Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your maths teacher. I am Shagufta Maqbool. Please open this book of Oxford New Countdown, book 1. Please open page number 1 of this book. Look at here. Today we will start from getting ready. Let us color. Today you will have to complete this page. I am going to help you how can we complete this page. It is an interesting topic. After doing this work you will be enjoyed a lot. Let's read. Number 1 is count the objects in each group and write the number in the box. First of all, you will have to count the objects that are given here. After counting, you will have to write answer in empty boxes. After counting, then color group of 9 blue, group of 5 yellow, and group of 4 red. After counting, you will have to color in these groups. If you have a group of 9, you will have to blue color. If you have a group of 5, you will have to yellow color. If you have a group 4, you will have to red color. A part is done for you. Look at here. Let's count these objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things are here, 4 objects are here, 4 is written here. This part is done for you. I am starting from B part. Look at here. Let's count these boxes that are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are here, so we will write 9 here. 9 are here. I am going to count again to check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are here, so we will write here 9. Next one, object. I am going to tell you books are here. How many books are here? Let's count how many books are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books are here, so I will write 4 here. Next one in how many ice creams are here. Do you like to eat ice cream? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice creams are here, so I'm going to write 5 here. Next one is how many hats are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hats are here. We will write here 5. Next one is how many buckets are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 buckets are here, so we will write 9 here. Okay students, this is group of 4, this is group of 9, this is group of 4, this is group of 5, this is group of 5, and this is group of 5. So first one we will check which color we will use. This is group of 4. What is written here? 4 is here. We have to use red color. We have to use red color. I have red color. Look at here, I am using this color like this way, so you will have to fill like this way. I am telling you, look at here, you will have to fill like this way. You will have to fill complete, because this is group of 4. Look at here, we have 2 groups of 4, so that is why I filled these groups with red color. Look at here, you will have to fill with red colors. You will have to fill these objects with red color. Red is for 4. Group of 4 is here. This is a group of 4, another group of 4. That is why I have filled these objects, look at here, with red color. You will have to fill like this way. Next one is, you will have to, then group of 9 blue. We have group of 9, so we will have to fill this group with blue color. Look at students, look at these objects. Group of 9 is filled with blue color. Look at here, this is group of 9, this is also group of 9, so both of these group have been filled with blue color. Next one is group of 5. 5 is written here, 5 yellow. Group of 5, you will have to do yellow color. Now students, this is group of 5 and this is group of 5 also, so both of these groups have been filled with yellow color. Look at here, I am going to tell you again. This is group of 4, this group is filled with red color. This is group of 9, this is filled with blue color, and this is group of 5. Both of these groups are filled with yellow color, and both of these groups are filled with red color, and both of these groups are filled with blue color. Okay students, today you will have to complete page number 1 of countdown like this way. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.